Welcome to Way to Commerce. Subscribe to Way to Commerce. Today we discuss about explain a suitable internal check system for purchases and sales. Internal check system for purchase and sales. Our main objective is concept learning. First of all, we discuss about purchases, internal check regarding purchase. For this purpose, the system of internal check to be adopted by any concern will depend on its size and resources. However, the following system of internal check for purchase is suggested. So, internal check regarding purchase depends upon size and its resources. Okay. The first point is all the orders for purchases should be recorded in the purchase order book. So all the orders for purchases are recorded in the purchase order book. They should be properly authorized. A carbon copy of every order placed should be kept. A carbon copy of every order placed should be kept. Next, second point. On receipt of the goods, the gatekeeper or storekeeper should make a record in the goods inward books. So on receipt of the goods, gatekeeper or storekeeper make a record in the goods inward books. Okay. Next, third point. Invoices received from the seller should be checked with the orders books. So invoice received from the seller should be checked with the orders books regarding quantity, amount, and goods inward books as to its quality, quantity, prices and calculations, etc. depending upon the order made and invoice received. The clerks checking them should also initial the invoices. After these invoices should be entered in the body book and filed. Okay. Next, fourth point. If there are number of departments, each placing its order, the invoice should be sent to the concerned department for checking. The invoice should be sent to the concerned department for checking. Next, fifth one. Entry for all goods purchased should be made by an independent person in the store's ledger. So entry for all goods purchased made by an independent person in the store's ledger. Next, sixth point. The payment of every invoice should be authorized by a responsible official. Payment of every invoice authorized by a responsible official. Next, seventh point. A proper system of internal check for cash purchases should be in operation. As far as possible, cash purchases should be discouraged. Okay. Next, internal check as records sales. Internal check records sales. Okay. Chances of errors and frauds are greater in the case of sales. Goods sent on approval being treated as actual sales or entering of fictitious sales in the sales book is possible. Yes. Further, it is possible that the next year sales may be taken as this year's. Next year sales may be taken as this year, or sale of fixed assets recorded as sale of goods. So these are. Next, the object of internal check should be counteract the above. So that's why internal check follow in sales. All orders received should be recorded properly. All orders received should be recorded properly. Confirmed in writing. So all orders should be recorded properly and in writing. Orders received on telephone or verbally should be confirmed in writing. Next, second point. All goods supplied. All goods supplied should be recorded in the goods outward book. So all goods supplied should be recorded in the goods outward book. Next, third point. Invoice should be prepared in duplicate. Invoice should be prepared in duplicate. One copy sent to the customer. So one copy sent to the customer and other carbon copy should be kept. Details of every invoice should be checked before sent out. Entries in goods outward book should be compared with invoices. Entries in goods outward book should be compared with invoices. Fourth point. Entry should be made in the sales book on the basis of invoices. So entry should be made in the sales book on the basis of invoices. Next, fifth point. Goods returned by the customer should be entered in the returns inwards book and a credit note be prepared because it's a returns. So that's why credit note should be prepared. Next, sixth one. In case of cash sales, cash should be received by a person other than salesman. Goods should be delivered on the basis of the receipt cash memo. These are all normal points.